Dear students, welcome to my YouTube channel. Aji ami last class je alochona korisilu Ishan Gets a prize namar patti he pattir baki thoka onkho etire ajir ei video tu hobo goi ase akha koru tumaloke mor agor video tur pora kisu porimane hole upokrito hoisa aru mor ajir ei video tu tumaloke akwali loba to late no kori ahami pattir pine agbarisu. The next day in the classroom aru pisdina khon classroomot ki hol janibo mon ase ne nistoy ase. The teacher enters the classroom with a beautiful red packet. Next dina khon teacher jone shiক্ষক jone eta dhuniya ronga packetor hoite classroom olot probek korile. The student greet him. Student bilake sarjonok সম্বৰ্ধন জনালে and immediately take out their notebooks aru teolokor notebook bur hunkale ulale. Their eyes are on that packet aru student bilakor sokukul ase sare ona he red packet tut. A boy stands up and asks, ejon lora thio hol aru hudile, what is in that packet sir? Ei packet tut ki ase sir? The teacher replies, sarjone uttor dile, a prize for the one who will write today's class work on the notebook neatly and completely. Mane sarjone koise je ei red packet tut ronga bakos tut eta prize ase heijonor karone jijone ajir classor work khini neatly porishkar bhabe aru sampurno bhabe complete koribo paribo likhibo paribo. Now do the exercises number 1 and 2. Tar pasot sare kole etia tumaloke exercise number 1 aru 2 tu kora. Every student starts writing with utmost care. Utmost care mane of the greatest or highest degree. Mane hiyotor jiman khini সম্ভৱ jimankhini দক্ষতাৰে সম্ভৱ হিয়তে লিখিব আৰম্ভ কৰিলে. On the other hand, Ishan again with an excuse. Aru anfale Ishan ako excuse eta bahana eta loi ahise comes to the teacher osorot. He tells him that he has forgotten to bring his pencil today. Aji ki hoise Ishanor? Aji Ishane tar pencil to anibo pahorile. The teacher does not rebuke him. Rebuke mane hol to criticize. Mane homalosona kora. Ishane je aji tar pencil anibo pahorise tothapi sare tak kuno dhornor beya kotha koa nai, kuno gali galas para nai. And asks him to go to his seat. Aru tai Ishanok kole sarjone je tumi tomar jagaloi joa, tomar place oloi joa. Ishan quietly goes to his place aru Ishan supsape mone mone nijor thailoi gole. He is upset today aru aji tai ki upset mane hotak tar dukh lagise. Kiyo dukh lagise? At the end the teacher checks the notebooks and finds out that everybody is capable of winning a prize. Aru classor hekhot jetia teacher jone notebook bur mane notebook mane tumaloke jana nohoy ami je schoolot likhu bohibur heburoke notebook koy aru hebur jetia sare check korile dekhile tetia sare bujile je everybody prottek jonei capable mane hoikhom winning a prize protteke prize to poar karone joigyo hoikhom. So every one of them gets one beautiful pencil with a cap and an eraser attached to it. Aru he karone hokuloke ki dile one beautiful pencil eta dhuniya pencil dile with a cap jar uporot eta cap ase tupi eta ase and an eraser attached to it. Aru he pencil tur logot eraser mane rubber lagoa ase. Ishan is sad. Ishanor dukh lagise. He realizes his guilt. Ishane অনুতাপ কৰিছে অনুশোচনা কৰিছে. Ishan runs to the teacher and says, Ishane sarjoner usorloi dori gol aru kole, sir, from tomorrow I will never forget to bring my notebook and pens. Koise sir ajir pora moi aru ketiao mor notebook mane likha bohi aru pens kolom আনিবলৈ নাপাহৰো the teacher smiles at him and gives him a beautiful yellow pencil ছাৰজনে হাঁহিলে তাৰ কথাত আৰু তাক এটা মানে তেওঁক এটা ঈশানক এটা beautiful yellow pencil এটা ধুনীয়া হালধীয়া